What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning in to Stock Essentials. Everyone's pretty excited for tomorrow about AMC. All eyes are on AMC, and if we can push this stock as high as we can before the market closes, we're going to see a nice gamma squeeze the following week, which I am predicting is going to happen. As you can see on the daily chatter, AMC is still one of the most talked about stocks. A lot of the retail investors are standing by the stock, and the price is slowly going up today. It's up 10%, a pretty good increase. And as you can see, I doubled down on my position. I bought another 100 shares after hours at around $61 a share. But I think that if this plays out, we could see triple digit in the stock price, which I'm hoping for, and I know all you apes are hoping for as well. I also have a 145 call, YOLO call. Obviously, that's gonna probably expire worthless unless something drastic happens tomorrow. But then I'm also holding a $41 cash ticket put expiring next week. So I have around, I'd say around $16,000 worth of cash into AMC positions, 12,000 into AMC shares, and 4,100 into a cash secured put, which is bleeding out nicely as we're capitalizing on the options premium. Tomorrow, I think tomorrow's going to be very volatile for AMC, and because of that, I decided to add some more shares to my portfolio. I'm pretty excited for tomorrow. It's a quad witching day, which means implied volatility as well as trading volume is going to be a lot higher than normal because of all the contracts, different type of contracts are going to be expiring tomorrow. So this is going to be pretty big for AMC tomorrow. And today is your last day to get in. I know some brokerages let you buy shares after hours. So if you want to get in, now could be a great time while the price, I think, is still pretty low. Especially with all these synthetic shares going around. There's a lot of naked shorting of this stock. So there's a lot more shares that should be out and open. But because of all the naked shorting, I think this price is pretty low for where it really should be with all the shares being traded. So if we take a look at the AMC options summary, we're pretty bullish, obviously. The call to put ratio is pretty high. And the good news is we saw a lot of bullish option contracts being traded. As you can see here, we have a huge spike in AMC calls, whereas the puts are still relatively the same. It's been decreasing over the past week, but the calls just skyrocketed today, especially towards the end of the trading day, while people are anticipating a pretty big squeeze either tomorrow or next week, which is most likely going to happen. I know a lot of us retail investors are pretty excited for this. I mean, retail investors own over 80% of AMC total shares, which is really exciting news that we're all in this together. So yeah, I don't plan on selling anytime soon. I'm here with you guys, $12,000 into AMC, possibly adding more if it does happen to dip. But yeah, 12,000 to AMC, 200 shares. Pretty excited for tomorrow. I hope you guys are as well. And as we can see, tomorrow, a lot of call options could be exercising depending on how far we push up AMC stock. June 18th is the most popular expiration date. A lot of call options are being traded and they have the potential to be exercised. So keep your eyes out on AMC for sure. As we can see here, $40 strike price, $55 strike, $60, even $65 strike is getting a lot of traction. So if we can push AMC to be able to go all above these strike prices and allow these call options to be exercised, we're going to see a nice gamma squeeze because the total gamma exposure for this stock is really high. So basically, for every 1% move in the underlying stock price, the market makers will have to spend about 31 million per 1% move, which is insane. So the higher we can buy up the stock, the higher we can push it, the more it's going to squeeze, and we're going to get huge returns on our investment for us as retail investors, which is really, really good news. So that's about it for this video. I hope you guys are excited for tomorrow. I'm pretty excited. We'll see what happens. But overall, I think that this is probably going to happen pretty soon. Please leave a like if you liked the video. Comment down below what positions you're holding, how many shares you're holding, what call options you're holding. And of course, subscribe if you're new here to the channel. Helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.